Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and following all the instruction given by our government and your parents. The entire world is suffering from the COVID-19. What is COVID-19? I think you heard this word. COVID-19. COVID-19 means coronavirus disease 2019. This is a virus. Because of this, the entire world is suffering. So, because of this virus, our government has given lots of instructions to follow. We have to wash our hand regularly, use sanitizer, cover your nose, don't go outside, sit at home, spend time with your parents. Keep yourself neat and clean. Take care of yourself and your parents. You know what? Because of this virus, because of this pandemic situation, we are not able to start your school nowadays. Because of this only, our school started online classes. This online classes is very necessary for you. You have to very careful about this online classes. I just want to tell you, during this online classes, which lesson, whatever lessons are going to be teach, it's not to be repeat again. So be careful during the online classes. If you have any confusion, any doubt regarding any lesson, any difficult words, just write down in your copy. It will be clarified when the school will reopens. Alright? I think everyone got the timetable from the school. The timetable is already provided to you all. And for online classes, you go through the school website. You visit the school website regularly and take your online classes very seriously. So, before starting this session, I am going to introduce your English 2 book. This is your English 2 book, Prime English by Next Education India Private Limited. In this book, there are 12 lessons and we almost prepared 4 lessons for the first semester. We'll go through this book for the English 2. Now, see, when you open this book, your first page is this. Your first lesson is Stone Soup, in which the first page is an activity. Okay, it's clear for you? This is an activity. In this activity, you have to circle the things that are used to make vegetable soups. Before starting this activity, can you know what a soup is? Have you heard about soup? What is soup? It's a very common word. Maybe your mother also prepared this at your home for you. Soup is made up vegetables. It's very delicious and very healthy for the health. For your health, it's very healthy. In the soup, there are many vegetables. Is according to your taste. Whatever you like, you can add in your soup and have it. Okay. Just go through the page number 1. When you see in page number 1, there is an activity that I already told you. That is, circle the things that are used to make vegetable soup. Okay. See, See very carefully, there are many pictures. Some are of things, some are of vegetables, some are of spices. It's visible? I think it's visible to you all. In this picture, many pictures are given. In this page, many pictures are given. Some are vegetables, some are things, and some are spices. Number one, this starting. What is this? This is carrot. Carrot is a vegetable. So I think we can use vegetable in the vegetable soup. For the soup, we can use vegetables, spices. Carrot is a vegetable. We should circle it. Mushroom is also a vegetable. Then we should circle this one too. Cotton rolls. Have you ever seen cotton rolls in the soup? No, I don't think so. Because cotton roll is not a vegetable. It's a thing. Soap. Have you ever taken soap in soup? No, it's not. The next one is onions. Onion is a vegetable. We use onion for the soup. Pepper. Pepper is a spices. We use crushed pepper. We use crushed pepper for the taste. Peas. Peas is a vegetable. We can use peas also for the vegetable soup. Hand mirror. Can we use hand mirror for the soup? No, we cannot. Next is beans. Beans is a green vegetable. You have to circle this one also. We can use beans for the vegetable soup. It's very healthy vegetable. Salt. We can use salt for the taste. Silver foil? No, we cannot use silver foil for the soup. I think your mother is using silver foil to wrapping your chapatis, right? We cannot use silver foil in your soup because we cannot eat it. Butter? Yes, we can use butter for the soup. So children, I think this activity is clear for you all. You have to circle all the vegetables. You have to circle all the vegetables what we are going to use in the soup. Alright, I think you better understand what is soup is. Soup is a liquid food made of vegetable. Okay, we are using vegetable to making soup, and soup is very healthy for you all. So try to have soup daily basis. You have to use. Okay, ask to your mother to prepare soup today. All right. Now after this activity, we go for our lesson reading. This story, the stone soup. This is the story. This story is very interesting. This story is very interesting. You have to go through your book for the reading. But now I am reading the book in front of you. Just read along with me. Alright? Let us read a story about three travelers who find nothing to eat and come up with an idea to arrange for some food. This is the story of the three traveler who is traveling from one place to another, and they visit to the village where nothing to eat and nobody wants to share their food with. Nobody there to share their food with each other. Okay, so I'm going to read this story for you all. A long time ago, the farmers in a village had a poor harvest. What do you mean by harvest? Harvest means crop. There was very little food to eat, and so no one shared their food with others. In the village, there are very less food to eat, so they are not sharing their food to others. One day, three travelers come to the village. They were tired and hungry. They wanted something to eat. They knocked at a door. A man came out and told them loudly that there was no food in the house. They knocked at another door. A woman opened the door and said, "I'm sorry, there is nothing to eat in the entire village." The traveler was sad, but they made a plan. They made a plan to arrange for some food. The first traveler pulled out a huge pot from their cart. The second traveler filled it with water and lit a fire under it. The third traveler took a stone out of his bag and dropped it in the pot. By now, most of the villagers had come to watch what the three travelers were doing. Everyone else came out from their houses to see what the travelers are doing in their village. The travelers stirred the water and took some of it in a spoon to taste. The stone soup tastes good. It would be nice if we had some carrots, said the first traveler. A villager went and came back with some carrots. When the villager heard this, they want some carrots to put in the soup. He went back and he brings some carrots. He poured those into the pot. Wonderful! It is tastier now. I once had a stone soup with salt and spices. It was very tasty, said the second traveler. Another villager added some salt and spices to the soup. When the another villager heard this word, they want some salt and spices. They also added some salt and spices to the soup. This went on for some time. One after another, the villagers added potatoes, onions, cabbages, mushrooms, and so on. There was enough soup for the entire village. Everybody enjoyed the soup. It was the tastiest soup they ever had. They thanked the travelers. See, this is your story. In this story, the travelers teach to the villagers how to share the things and enjoy the things. Okay, so just go through the videos again and again and try to read along with me. This story is very interesting. When you go through, when you read it, you will feel good. And just read it, and if you find any difficult word in this or anything you want to ask, just note down in your rough copy, and it will be clarified when the school will reopens. Okay.
Start.
So students, this much is for today. So in the last of the video, just I'm showing you the story. Just see the story and read it very carefully. This is your homework, to read your story at least 2 times and read it very carefully. In the next session, I'm going to explain you this story again. Thank you and have a nice day.